In this short video, I will tell you how to stop extra emails, promotional emails and emails from social media and emails from other banks and like that. For such informative videos, like and subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO. So, here we can open Gmail, and then after opening Gmail app, click on the three lines on the left top and click on Settings. Click on Notifications, Promotions, if you want to promotion media and social messages from the other networks, updates from bills, banks etc. and messages from different forums. So uncheck all these and save the settings, come back, you have finished, thanks for watching.